Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to download and install the OKX application on your PC or your laptops. So the process is quite easy, so let's jump in. First of all, launch open a web browser on your computer or your laptop. Just open it up and go to the URL box at the top and type in okx.com/download and search. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in this page where you'll see several download options. On the left, click on the download desktop option and select whether you have a Mac OS or Windows. In my case it's Windows, so let me click on Windows. Once you make the selection, you'll see the OKX setup file downloading at the top right corner. Wait for it to complete. Once the application is downloaded, click on Open File. Select whether you wish to make this software available for you or all the users. I'm just gonna select the only option that is available over here for me and click Next. Go ahead and select your destination folder, click Install and wait for the installation to complete. Now after it is done, you will be able to find the OKX application installed for your PC or laptop. Once it is done, click on Finish and if you go see on your desktop, you'll see the OKX application installed. So there you have it. That is how you can download and install the OKX app on your PC or laptops. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.